Hi everyone, so today we have my mom here and today we are going to be doing yoga for the elderly. This was requested a lot by people, so we are planning to do a video today. And the few things that you need to keep in mind is her age, basically in your late 60s or 70s, or even in your early 60s, the few things to keep in mind is your joints. Okay, you have to work on your joints because they start to become a little rusted and loose, and also your muscles tend to lose their tone. So these are the few things to keep in mind. So the focus is more on mind body connection to get better sleep, the ailments usually that we have. So we're going to do some basic yoga poses which mom will demonstrate and I will show you guys. All right, so without any further delay, let's begin. First, we're going to start with warm-ups, some basic few warm-ups. So you can do this sitting on a chair or you can do this standing, depending on what the person's concern or situation is at that moment. So we'll start. We will start first with gentle neck movements, hand on your waist. Side, look at the right side, slowly. Come in front, center, left side, center, slowly up, center, down, center. After this, we're going to do some shoulder shrugs. Forward, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wrist movements clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After this, we're going to do a little bit of waist movements. Okay, mama, hands on your waist. Go slow and anti-clockwise. So while we have done our upper body, now we need to warm up our lower body. So this few movements I recommend is the Pavan Mukta Asana series. So we will work on the knee joints here. Yeah. So you interlock your hands behind your thigh, just like mom has done, and then you straighten your leg and hold. जितना आप hold कर सकते हैं, just point your toes. Point. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knee and you will do clockwise and anti-clockwise movement. So ideally we should try and not keep our back as straight as possible. If that's not possible, you can always use a support of the back. Mama can do it because she's been doing yoga for quite some time. Always remember to breathe, because sometimes the focus is so much on the asanas that we tend to hold our breath, so that shouldn't happen. Now we're going to work on the ankles. So point your toes and flex. Point करिए toes को और flex करिए. So this also works on your ankle mobility. You do this 5 to 10 times and then you will rotate your ankles. Okay, ऐसे rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Like that. The next one that we do is Paschimottanasana. So we will try and catch our toes. Feet is flexed on. Okay. Try and catch and reach our toes as much as we can. So unless we are able to go down fully, we need to just try and keep our back straight and reduce this stomach. Okay, we make a hollow in the stomach and you keep it straight. Also, what you can do is, in case they're not able to reach, you can give them a belt or a TheraBand and yeah, make it like that. Yeah. Now try it. This is also good enough. Next we'll do Chakki Chalanasana. Mama will demonstrate. Yes. You can clasp your fingers like this and go from left to right first and then the opposite direction. 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. You can also do alternate toe touch like this with your legs separated. Inhaling as you come up in the center and exhaling as you tap your toe. And always try and keep your feet flexed. We will add some twisting poses now. So mom, fold your left leg. Now, left leg is behind, right hand is crossing over the left leg. Yeah. You can hold here or you can keep it below, or you can even interlock your hands depending on your own flexibility. Hold, inhaling, come back in the center and repeat on the other side. First, same asana, take your left leg behind and bring your right leg in front. Then take your right hand, take your left hand and bring it above your right knee. And then you can look at the back and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to the center and then release. Now we will do Gomukhasana. Keep your left leg on top of your right leg. Try and match the 2 knees. Even if you can. Even if you can, it's okay. And we are going to make Garuna hands. Okay. So, one hand over the other. We overlap them like this and we hold. And straight, then we turn to the right side. Take our legs 2.5 to 3 feet distance apart. Open your hands in T. Go towards the right side. Catch your toe or keep it on the ankle wherever you reached. You can look up or look straight and hold. So guys, there is one asana Mama is going to teach us called Katti Chakra Asana, which is good for belly, for your bellies, for senior citizens.
Open your arms, fold your left hand back side, put and right hand on your shoulder and twist as much as you can. Come in the front, open your hands, then same with right hands, turn back side, keep your left hand on your shoulder and turn as much as you can and repeat it at least for 10 counts or if you can for 20 counts.
So now we will do one asana, which is the balancing pose, which everybody knows and it's the favorite, but it's very good for seniors because we are working on our balance and balance really goes in, this age. So we'll do the tree pose. On the balance, focus on concentration. Take one of your legs and put it on your opposite thigh. And then raise your hands up, first in T, and then you can take them all the way up. Look at one point and hold for as long as possible. Keep concentrating. And then repeat on the other side. Make sure that there is a person next to you or there's a wall which you can use for support.